Welcome to our channel. Today we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get approved for the Apple Card, even with low credit. Step 1. Check your credit report first. Review your credit score and fix any errors before applying. Even small corrections can increase your approval chances. Step 2. Apply through the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap Apply for Apple Card, and follow the instructions. Apple uses soft inquiries initially, so checking eligibility won't hurt your credit. Step 3. Use Path to Apple Card if offered. If you're not approved immediately, Apple may give you a customized Path to Apple Card plan. This tells you exactly what to improve, like lowering balances or resolving late payments, and lets you reapply after completing the steps. Step 4. Lower your credit utilization. Pay down existing credit card balances to keep your utilization under 30%. Lower utilization increases approval odds significantly. Step 5. Show consistent payment history. Make on-time payments across all your accounts for at least a few months before applying. Payment history is one of the strongest approval factors. Step 6. Avoid recent hard inquiries. If you've applied for multiple credit cards recently, wait a bit before applying. Too many inquiries can reduce your chances. Step 7. Provide accurate income information. Apple evaluates your ability to repay, so include all verifiable income, employment, freelance work, or any steady side income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.